Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to learn to play the drums fast, and this will be the easiest tutorial. So let's get right into this super easy tutorial. So as you can see right here, I have a drum set, and this will be the easiest tutorial, and I'll show you exactly how to learn how to play the drums super fast. Really easy to do. First and foremost, what are the main parts that we're going to be using? Well, this is the hi-hat over here, okay? I'm going to use my foot to press the hi-hat pedal down and bring the hi-hat cymbals together, just like that, so they're together, and it's going to make this sound right here, okay? Then over here we have the bass drum, and I'm going to use the bass drum pedal to make the bass drum sound, just like that with my foot. And then right here we have the snare drum, and I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to hit the snare drum. All right, so how do you play the drums really fast? Well, really easy to do. And you're not playing fast in the sense of like at a fast tempo. It's the speed in which I will teach you how to play the drums is fast. So you can learn how to play the drums in a matter of a few minutes. That's what I mean by fast. The learning process is fast. Just to clarify. You probably already knew that, but I figured I'd clarify anyways. So what you're going to start off by doing is hitting the hi-hat and counting to 4 over and over again. You're going to do that with your right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now when you do that, you're going to keep doing that over and over again, and you're going to start incorporating the bass drum with your right foot, okay, on every count of 1. So it's going to go like this. I'm going to bring the bass drum in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're going to do that, but you're also going to add in the snare drum with your left hand on every count of 3. So exactly what I just showed you, but you're going to add in the snare drum on the count of 3. So I'm going to start off with just the hi-hat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'm going to bring the bass drum on the count of 1. Then I'm also going to incorporate the snare drum on the count of 3. And once you have all of those incorporations done, then you're playing the drums. So just listen and follow along on your own drum set, or even just practice while not on a drum set. You can just practice on your couch or something like that. And it's really easy to do. So follow along at home and just join in as I do this. So I'm going to do exactly what I said I was going to do. So pay attention, okay? And try it out. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. Now I'm going to stop saying the numbers and speed it up. Alright, so that is basically it, and as you saw, once you have the beat down, you can speed it up, and all that I really did was I took that basic beat and I started incorporating other stuff, and that's how I created all those different beats. That is your basic beat, and then you just vary it a little bit, you change it up a little bit, and then you're able to incorporate some other things, and basically once you just change what's happening on the number, so like, you know, the 1 is going to change to something else, the 2 is going to change to something else, the 3 is going to change to something else, the 4 is going to change to something else. When you start varying what happens on each count, that's how you get those other beats. But really easy to do, and I've shown you and told you exactly how to play the drums really quickly. Hopefully you can learn from this, and you can, you know, get your basic drum beat down in a matter of no time at all. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I've got nothing else to say, and yeah, with nothing else to say, we are going to roll the outro. So without further ado, here's the outro for this video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below in the comments, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.